It's the biggest healthcare workers strike in U.S. history, with 75,000 Kaiser Permanente workers across the country and right here in San Diego walking off the job. Good evening, I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. The strike could lead to delays in getting appointments and non-urgent procedures being rescheduled. Let's go live to CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes for the very latest. Kirsten.
Hey there, Carlo. I'm here at the Kaiser Permanente San Diego Medical Center in Claremont, and I want you to take a look behind me. We've been out here all day. Early today at 5 o'clock, you saw dozens of employees, striking workers, out here on the picket lines. Right now, they're picking up, packing up, and getting ready for tomorrow morning, where they will come back bright and early in the morning. Workers I talked to today say they want an end to what they call staffing shortages. They also want a cost of living increase, and they say they want better patient care.
We want more appreciation, we want better patient care, we want better staffing, we want patients over profits, we want the staffing crisis to end. We just want to be better taken care of so that we can take care of patients better.
Bianca Rojas took to the picket lines in Otay Mesa, joining other Kaiser Permanente workers who were on strike in San Marcos, La Mesa, the Zion Avenue location in San Diego, the workers on the picket lines in Claremont Mesa, and all across the country.
During the pandemic, we bled hours and hours and hours of work. We were people's families when they had no visitors. We were their families. We were there for them. We fought for them. We supported them. We healed them. We did everything for them. So to bridge that gap during the pandemic, we earned these raises.
Jeffrey Merritt says he's only fighting for what's fair.
This year, what I've noticed is that Kaiser seems to think that since we can work short, they just keep us short. Our staffing is outrageous on the med-surg and other units. They're struggling out there. There's one CNA for the whole floor? Come on now.
The strike includes nursing staff, dietary workers, pharmacists, and ancillary hospital staff who work behind the scenes making sure hospital equipment is clean and sterile.
We've been through the ringer, short staff, very unsafe conditions for ourselves and for our patients. So that's primarily what we're fighting for safer conditions.
Another worker we talked to says she's a single mom and she's struggling to make ends meet.
It's been difficult right now with inflation going up as high as it is. I feel like I'm drowning in debt. I'm relying more on my credit cards, and my paychecks are just bills, rent, little things I can do, but I'm just drowning.
Kaiser sent out a statement around 3:30 this afternoon on the strike, saying they have not reached a contract settlement, but they've been able to reach a number of tentative agreements. You are looking at those agreements on your screen right now. They are across the board wage increases in all markets over the next 4 years. They also want to update the performance sharing plan to include a minimum payout opportunity. They're also offering minimum wages of $23 an hour in California and $21 an hour in markets outside of California. They also want to continue and enhance their existing excellent health benefits and retirement income plans. They also say they are renewing their strong tuition assistance and training programs and increasing funding of the education trusts. Now, the striking workers we talked to today say that this strike is set to end on Saturday, and they will be back at work on Saturday. If an agreement between Kaiser and the unions is not reached by Saturday, they're already planning their next strike, and union stewards I talked to today say that strike will be longer. We'll keep you updated on this developing story. Right now, reporting live for CBS 8, I'm Kirsten Holmes. Back to you.
Thanks, Kirsten. Now, we do know that Kaiser has 39 hospitals nationwide and that their emergency rooms are still open, but where are other Kaiser workers on strike?
Yeah, strike lines are set up here in San Diego, of course. We also have them in LA, Colorado, Washington, Oregon, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. Marcella?
All right, impacting a lot of patients, that's for sure. Thanks so much, Kirsten.